Super cute ang project ni Sarina.
Thank you. Alam mo naman itong batang to eh. Siya nag-decide.
Siya nag-choreo. Siya nag-choreo.
Siya rin lahat, pati concept.
Yeah, costume lahat. Siya na nag-edit.
Si Sarina ngayon. Sino ka ngayon? Who are you now? Sino ka ngayon?
Rumi.
Si Rumi ng Huntrix.
I love your hair. You're so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yun din ang vice.
Thank you, baby. Nakapon sa eyelash.
Si Alejandro yan.
Yes.
Wow. And of
Ang
course,
ganda.
again, happy birthday, Quiz Jong. Maraming
you.
salamat din sa legit status. And
Yeah.
of course, I wanna ask Sari. Sari, what's your birthday message for your daddy? What's your birthday wish for Daddy Jong?
Do you wanna tell Daddy?
Alam mo na daw yun.
Hindi kasi hindi daw siya si Sari, si Rumi siya.
Rumi siya.
Rumi, what's your birthday for Jean Yu?
Oh, birthday message.
What's your wish for Daddy?
I love you so much, Daddy.
I love you more, Sari. Thank you.
Did you enjoy your number with your daddy? You enjoy your dancing and singing with your daddy?
Yes po.
You wanna do it again here in Showtime next week?
Yes po.
Oh. you always want to sing, right? You always want to perform. You dance and you sing, right?
Yes.
So are we going to see that again next week?
Yes po.
Yay! So next week, ano namang character mo after Rumi? Who do you wanna be next week? Anong character mo naman? Sino yung favorite mo? Sino ang mga favorite niya?
Princess. Sinong princess ang gusto mo?
Punsalan.
Hindi! Hindi na lang inabutan yun. Grabe ka naman.
You want to be Elsa next week?
Sinong gusto mo?
Two characters.
What?
Two characters.
Two characters.
characters.
Who are they?
Who?
Mara and Clara.
Maraming Clara.
O, yung
Who are
maganda
they?
class.
Who
Kasi
are
siya
they?
yung daddy. Oo.
Ariel and Rapunzel.
Combination,
Gusto ko yung dati,
di ba?
gusto ko two characters yung bata.
At
Ako.
Ano yan?
Ariel and Rivera ang gusto ko. Ariel and Rivera.
Dalawa pala yun.
Oo, yun yung mga Gen Z ngayon kasi Ariel and Rivera.
Kailangan, ganun pala yun.
Congratulations, you did
Yes.
so well.
Yay!